remember once in 2015 manze nilileta dem Uhuru Park
This is a love. This used to be like the love spot for
manze
most couples.
Naonaga hivi. Naisha. Hey, ukismile baby, I die.
You're the bint my githeri. My heart, my baby.
Manze sijalala usiku nikifikiria vile nakuja kumit na wewe.
Oh, guy, the lies.
The beauty.
The lies.
Singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh.
Hello, good morning. How you guys doing? I'm telling you guys, my relationship with time is beyond marriage counseling. At this point, we are looking at divorce, to be honest. I was supposed to meet a friend of mine. We are going to town. We are going around town. I'm going to tell you all about it. We are going around town. I was supposed to meet him at 10:30. Right now it's 10:45 and I'm just getting out of the house. God help me. Honestly, I need help. I need salvation. So what I was thinking is, I was thinking of going to, let me put on the lights here. I was thinking of going to, okay, so what is supposed to be happening is that, so I know by the time this video comes up, it's going to be 12th of December, which is Jamuhuri Day. Happy Jamuhuri Day, everyone. And I thought the best way to commemorate this day is to go around town identifying all the statues and monuments. I have a list up here, all the statues and monuments, and I'm going to go and take a picture with each and every one of the monuments that are found in Nairobi. Wish me luck. It's like what is it called? A treasure hunt. I'm so excited. I'm so bummed. Like a treasure hunt. I can't wait. So that's what we're going to be doing, and I am so late. We were supposed to have been meeting at 10:30. It's 10:45, and this is when I am getting out of the house. But let's just go. I mean, plus I can't really hurry up. I can't really run or anything like that because for the last few days I've been nosebleeding. I think it's because of exhaustion and just, you know, I'm always on the move, I don't give myself a break, I don't stop to just breathe, and I think that's what is causing the nose bleeding and stuff. So yeah, let me head out now. Let me head out. I'm talking too much.
You got me singing way oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
Okay, so I've just come from Mboga. I'm heading now to Kimathi Street.
You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride?
Okay guys, that was the Kimathi statue, and it is found opposite Hilton along Kimathi Street.
I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh. Way oh.
So third on the list is the War Memorial Monument, and I'm supposed to expect 3 African men, an askari and a gun carrier. So that's why I'm heading along Kenyatta Avenue. And yeah, you guys, it's so scary vlogging in town. Oh my goodness. I think K.I.C.C or Uhuru Park.
Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life.
Okay, you guys, so I am outside Senate right now, opposite Senate, and I'm waiting for Dismas. He has taken forever, you guys, to come, so I had to move around without him. But right now I'm waiting for him. Then we'll go to K.I.C.C and then hopefully Supreme Court. Although I tried Supreme Court and then nikaogopa, I was scared, so I didn't go. So yeah.
Keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion.
Hey you guys, so we are at K.I.C.C and Dismas finally amejitokeleza.
You just met me on the road.
Okay, I just met you on the road.
Just landed from the United
After
States
how
of
many hours?
America.
We were supposed to meet at 10:30. Tumefika?
No, lakini unajua nimetoka mbali from
Saa
the United States
saba,
of
almost
America.
saa sita. Anyway, yeah, so right now we are at the Kenyatta Monument. We want to look at it, take a picture, take a video, and then we go to Uhuru Park, isn't it?
Uhuru Park, yeah.
Uhuru Park, check out those monuments, and then you go check out his channel. I will leave a link of his channel in the description. Ukikosa kuangalia na ukikosa kunini kusubscribe, I don't know what we are doing together.
Kisubscribe yangu, subscribe pia yake.
Ni muhimu.
Pia umefinya ile notification bell,
Kabisa.
Ni muhimu
It's
Kesi kutoa content mpya, unajua, si ndio?
Yeah.
Nice one. Tuko wapi?
Sasa tuko K.I.C.C.
Nataka kuona mzee Uhuru Kenyatta.
Huyu ni Jomo Kenyatta.
Huyu ni Jomo.
Jomo Kenyatta. Kenyatta.
I wish to umetoa mask by the way.
Baba
Ona vile
yao.
tunakaa waremba. Jua inatusaidia.
Akiwa live.
So nikiona channel yake alafu kuna mwenye ananipenda mazee aniambie, si ndio?
Uko single?
Mtaribu.
My love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved.
Hey guys, so we are at Uhuru Park.
Yeah, people.
We are at Uhuru Park and we are looking at most of the monuments here. And we just want to find out which one to start with.
You're hunting, yeah.
Yes, we are hunting monuments.
Yes.
Wazee.
Ndio wale mko nasoma kwa nini kwa history, hunters and gatherers.
Ndio sisi
hapo, lakini sisi tuna hunt monuments.
Kwambia. In commemoration of Kenya becoming a republic in 1964 on 12th December. Yay.
Yes.
Okay, so right now we are at the Peace, Love, Unity Monument. This is how it looks like. I'm going to give you an overview of it.
Peace, love and unity. Peace, love and unity.
Unataka nimbone Mboga hivyo?
Una mambo na Mboga hivyo?
Hakuna.
Hiyo ni yangu sasa. My first single inatoka leo.
Acha.
Ito Peace, Love and Unity.
Wow.
Tunakopa tena kaanjo kwa.
Hey brother, watu wana arrest you. People have been arrested because of not having mask. So I'm even scared.
Hata kuwanko shingo mayo.
Si ndio, you can't. You have to put it up like
lakini
this.
wewe people stay safe.
It's important. Yeah, sanitize. Put on your and if you need to go out, be safe. If you don't, please kaa nyumbani. Stay home.
Nyumbani. Lakini kama una pesa kaa nyumbani bwana.
Okay.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah.
Hey, so there is an impromptu, what is it called? Monument at Uhuru Park, and this is a spot where John Paul II in 1980, when he came to Kenya for his first time, this is where he celebrated his mass, and that's why they have this thing. So yeah, I don't know much about it. If you know much about Corona. If you know much about the monument, please comment in the comment section.
Catholic tunasemaga nini?
Wala inaona kama kila mtu ni karao.
Kuna kitu Catholic wanasemaga hiyo ya forgive me my sins. Hapa ndio walifanyia ile mass, ile mnaimbaga hapa.
Oh. Kwa nini mnakuanga na different mass from everyone else for Catholic in the whole world?
Si mass, Catholic wana mass zao different. Kanisa zao si kama za kawaida.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's interesting.
Wanaanza na kuleta sadaka.
Oh.
Kuomba mingi.
Hata before preaching.
Damn.
Okay.
Tumtolee sadaka, tumtolee sadaka.
So, let's just look for the other whatever, because I don't know. I can't see any of the others. I don't know what's going on. So
There's a
yeah.
bigger one somewhere.
Yeah. We look for it. We look for
I
it.
remember once in 2015 manze nilileta demo Uhuru Park.
This used to be like the love spot for most couples.
Hapo hivi mlikuwa mnakuja mna chill out chini ya miti, having a good time. Ukamwambia ninakuonaga hivi. Naisha. You smile really baby. I die.
You're the bean to my githeri. My heart, my baby.
Mwanzo sijalala usiku nikifikiria vile nakuja kumit na wewe.
Oh, guy, the lies.
The beauty.
The lies.
Clowning. Sikuza sikireto clowning Sasa kuna kuja clown. Sasa hatukuwa na clown in real life. Unajua nyinyi watu wajuzi na clown.
Wait, watu 2002 you don't get.
You don't kwa SMS. Sisi tulikuwa na clown in real life. Unakuja kumwambia baby you look good.
Hata ukumbuki text message zile za 10 bob 200 SMSs.
Baby sina SMS.
200 SMS.
Unawekea 10 bob, but 200 SMS.
200 SMS.
Muongee tu.
And you have a whole relationship.
Ile umekelea mguu kwa ukuta mwambia kai baby leo kidogo nikukiss.
Guys. Oh my god. Okay, let's stick around. Nimepoteza speech. Let's just find the rest. Okay.
Nasikia kuna monument hapo inaitwa Mau.
Yeah, we're still looking for it. Tulizia.
Silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud. And I hear you calling out, yeah.
Okay, so what you've just seen there is the nurses and the doctors rioting. I guess their version of rioting or whatever. And you guys, I was just mind blown by the view of Nairobi from here. Look at that. Whoa, like, am I the only person who has said this? Look at how beautiful Nairobi is. Oh my goodness. So yeah, we can't still find the Mau Mau monument.
Look at how beautiful Nairobi people are.
We can't find the Mau Mau monument. We can't also find. There's so many monuments we can't find. I don't know why they don't exist or what's going on.
I think zilitolewa.
Yeah, probably.
I think they were there, but
probably. Because hata nilionanga then had Sidon and Kimathi ingine ni Tomboya. Tomboya imefungwa. It's closed. So I don't know what's going to happen. I'm going to go check the one in Kenyatta Avenue. If that's not it, then I guess this will be the end of the vlog. Until next time, bye. Msahau subscribe channel yake.
My channel,
The link will be in the description.
A vlog with Maureen Spears.
Yes, and
maybe on Monday. Monday tarenga is 14th.
14th.
Monday 14th,
Yeah. So this video is going up on 12th. And happy Jamuhuri Day. Peace.
Welcome to the memorial.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty but ours are.
Guys, I think we were on the wrong side of Uhuru Park because we have found the Mau Mau monument. What you've just seen. Yes, now this is the Nyayo one.
Hapo mbele yetu mtaiona tu.
Yeah.
Mimi ndio naongea Kiswahili na naongea Kizungu.
Unajua Kiswahili yangu ina sounding funny.
So you
Ninaanga nikiavoid.
stick to English.
Na kaanga naongea kama aishikaniki.
Yeah.
Oh, anyway, hey, playing like children, love like R and J. You were too good for me, but I wanted you